go into Freedom or something, like go have a look for a little side table or a little nesting set of tables, something smaller than the Noguchi.
Let's figure it out.
4 in it now.
3 in the car, 1 in the truck.
Valuable and adding value for your clients.
It's a busy-ish week, but we've got 3 more jobs that are looking to lock in this week, which will make it a very busy week. And the next week is even busier, but we've at least got pack-ups. So we're going to do Warraba first because photos are in the afternoon, and then Jellicoe will be second.
So we're up to 29 jobs locked in for this month, which is a record. We haven't done them yet, but...
We are up to a wee unit in Red Hill this morning. So we're good, nice, quick, really small. And then we are up to a second install around the corner.
Then we're moving Janessa to her new apartment. So what's on this week, Phoebe?
Busy week. Got quite a few installs. Spring is starting to get busy. It was a bit of a slow start, but we're starting to get there. So I think we've got 7 installs this week and no pack-ups, which is the trickier part.
No pack-ups means...
Empty shelves, as you can see here, which means, like, for example, if we have a beige or a cream neutral home come through, we are down to like very minimal oblong cushions, and pretty much what you see there as far as white cushions goes, that's all we have to make work. So it means purchasing new stock or controlling the flow through of new work to make sure that our stock keeps up with what we need in order to present a beautiful end product.
It wasn't long ago this place was chockers.
Well, look at the black cushions. They're still overflowing. They're still on the floor. So it really, the flow back and forth, it's something that takes a lot of logistics behind to make sure that we've got the right amount of stock, which is why we're getting an Albi order today, because looking forward, we're going to run out. So it's much obviously cheaper to do a wholesale order compared to buying from, for example, Freedom at retail price. So what I'm worried about with that photo that you've sent me is that it's so crammed that you, like, that's the main entry into the space that everybody who's coming into an open home is going to have to basically move to the side of one another. Can you send me a photo from the other angle, pretty please?
Yeah, but you have to make up your mind saying this candy's already left. Okay, that's the third time. So maybe just ring her and say you're at tab then.
Okay, I'll ring her and tell her to do that. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hey, may you detour to Pabs?
Yeah, sure.
I know it's annoying, but I think we're going to need a little side table or something instead of just go into Freedom or something, like go have a look for a little side table or a little nesting set of tables, something smaller than the Noguchi.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, just buy those. That'll work well.
Alright, I'll try that.
Cool. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Yeah. Go to take the Coopers and the Noguchi.
Oh, hang on. Take the Coopers, please. Yeah.
And then the Noguchi as well. And then I'll get one occasional from Pabs and like a side table or something, like a different coffee table. I'm really worried that you're literally walking into a couch, but anyway. It's too big for just a dining.
It looks fine when you're standing in here.
Okay, cool. All right, I trust you.
Especially if we have one chair.
We'll
Yeah,
do
that's
that.
way better.
Perfect. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Little laundry accessories, Cody. We don't normally do much for laundry, and this will be nice. Something different. Those high-end properties.
Jake, how'd today go?
Went pretty well. We were out once and we're back at the end of the day, so I managed to get 2 installs and moved Janessa from her old unit to her new one, apartment. So went pretty smoothly.
Where are we, Jake, after breakfast?
After brekkie, I'm very full. Wavell Heights, only install of the day. Nice new build. No Russ, he's not feeling well today. He's missed the team breakfast, so you know he's not taking it.
Yeah, I'm drafted in.
And you're in for the day.
This is a new build, this one and the one next door. So they're same floor plan, but totally different feel inside. So we're doing this one in a couple of weeks, doing the one next door. The clients wanted us to do creamy greys in this one, so it's coming up beautiful. Tricky bit for us was the layout in this space. We've got a sofa coming to go in here, the space behind you. It's we play around with the console table and sideboard, or is the space going to feel too big? So we've had the console table in there, we've taken it out. We think we're going to go for no console table, but we're going to play around and have a look and see what it looks like at the end.
We're off to Auckland Flower for a pack up, and then that'll be the last one of today. And lots of stairs in this one, I think, though. Bit of fun.
How did today end up, guys?
All went pretty well. Feeling a bit buggered.
Jake's more exhausted than I am.
Pretty tired. It's not finished yet. I've still got to unload the truck and make a start on loading for tomorrow. Probably won't do it all today, but...
Wednesday Jake's going to hate Tuesday Jake.
No, we'll be right. Start fresh in the morning. Bulimba this morning. It's on the street actually, a lot of new houses.
Right near the river?
Well, I didn't see it, but Bulimba, so I believe you.
It's right there.
Is it?
Initially this was set up as game space, so we had where you're standing, a big ping pong table, pool table, and then what was kind of like a theatre space, because they're a real man cave. So we're setting up, but we didn't want to change the flooring down here. So we've got big rugs, big kind of chunky sofas that kind of sit low to the ground rather than some ones that are up off the ground, just to try and make it feel more homely, but changing it from full game space to functional living space, so that you can see, if you did have this all carpeted, how you could potentially have it laid out. We're still going with like these nice black leather chairs, so still a bit more of a masculine feel, so a little bit more man cavey than homely, but the way that's going to be set out is going to make it feel less echoey and less space, but more homely. It's really important for that emotional connection, so that people can fall in love with the house. So they walk in and they're like, wow, fall in love, and then the negotiation that they have in their head is how much are you going to pay, how much am I put an offer, rather than, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, the floor's not carpeted, I can take this much off the price. So those sort of considerations, we're trying to take those away.
So we just got back from our install this morning in Bulimba. It was a bigger, longer one. Took us longer than we had thought because we were moving some of their, well not some, quite a lot of the clients' furniture out of their house and into a storage shed. We kind of knew that there was quite a bit, but I don't know, just underestimated how long it would take Russ and I to get it out of the house and onto the truck and then off the truck and everything. So we got that done, then we did a very quick pack up, which was very quick. I think we were in and out in half an hour as a small Queenslander that sold very quickly. And now we're back a little bit early, got the afternoon, we might just get ready for tomorrow. And I think, yeah, the girls getting their selections done and a bit of a tidy up. It was a good Thursday. It was pretty easy actually. It was a bit of a quieter day. We had 2 installs, but they were both very small. So we were actually back here at about midday. Had a few hours to get ready for tomorrow, loaded the truck. One of our pack up that we had today, I mentioned earlier, has already had shifted. So yeah, got back nice and early. Easy day. We've got somebody doing a professional clean on a couple of our cream beige sort of sofas. We've got a little cleaner that we try and do our own sort of cleaning, like little handprints, fingerprints, that sort of thing, but they'd gotten a bit too far for us to keep clean. So we've got somebody in to do a proper job on them, and they're coming up very nicely at the moment.
How many installs tomorrow?
Tomorrow was 2, but one of them has some issues with a crack in their pool, I think it is, or a leak, so they're wanting to sort that out before they hit the market. So just the 1 install and 1 pack up.
And how many Subway cookies?
Purchased 6, consumed 3 so far. We'll see.